Hey people, welcome to Nasike's kitchen. Today I have my
smart chef.
Yes, and today we are so excited because we are going to prepare a potato leek soup. These are the potatoes, they are Irish potatoes, and then these are the leeks. They look like spring onions. Have you ever seen these onions?
No.
No, you've never?
Yes.
Okay, they look like spring onions. Spring onions look the same as this, but they are small in size. And then this one has, the smell is a bit strong. And then also we are going to use, what is this?
Onions.
Onions. And then it's going to be very simple soup. You see, this weather is so rainy and you need something that will keep you warm. So for us, you're going to cook. What are we going to cook?
Potato leek soup.
Yes. So first, what you're going to do, we're going to cut this onion into small, or to dice them. Do you know dicing?
No.
You don't know?
Dicing is to cut into pieces.
Yes, small pieces. Like that. So here are our diced onions. The next step, we are going to cut our leek.
Where did the soil come from?
Which?
The soil.
The soil. It comes from the ground. You see, when you plant onions, they're always down there.
People always play with sand.
Yes. So here.
But I have brown soil at my school.
Yes. So they plant in that brown soil the onions. When they are harvested, they come out with soil. That's why you need to wash them nicely,
so that they can remove the mud.
Yes.
Like you're washing your hands.
Yes. Perfect. So you know these things. Who taught you?
I just taught myself.
You just taught yourself?
Yes.
And so far, how many soups have you ever tasted? How many soups have you ever tasted?
Well, I ever tasted always those soups. That's
You've ever tasted pumpkin soup?
Yes.
How was it?
Maybe a bit nice.
It was a bit nice.
Yes, but I always don't eat pumpkins.
You don't like pumpkin? What about potato soup? Sweet potato soup?
I love sweet potato soup.
Because it has some sweetness?
Yes, but I never drink that one.
You never drink that one?
Yes.
Why?
And I never drink the soup that you're making.
You never drink?
Yes, the soup that you're making.
Because you don't like it?
Yes.
But you know they are so healthy. They are very healthy.
Not to be healthy,
Yeah.
but I eat burgers healthy, but that's not burger.
So you love burger?
Yes, and this. What are you working? It has a bad.
Yes. So you can see these onions, they still have some sand in them. I'm going to rinse them again. I'm going to cut all of them and then I rinse again, so that, as I told you, it has some soil inside or mud.
Mud or soil?
Yeah, mud and soil.
Even Nicole will still can we get some mud and then we make flowers. And mud can't make flowers, but they can grow flowers.
Yes. Very
But
true.
if you see mud on the field, you always play with mud on the field.
Okay. So next I'm going to rinse this one. Then I'll show you how they look after I've cut them into pieces. These ones I've sliced, but the onions I've diced. So guys, here are the leeks. Let's move to the next step. Cooking pot, I'm going to add some cooking oil. Then I'll add some salt. Then we add some onions. Have you seen what we've done? Yeah. So we let it cook. It's not going to turn brown. We're just going to let it cook a bit. Then we add the potatoes. At this stage, it's good to go. We'll add some potatoes and turn. And then we'll let them cook a bit. At this stage, it's good to go. I'm going to add my leek. Then I turn. At this stage, I'm going to add some water so that the potatoes can cook well. When they're ready, we'll remove them and set them aside.
And then we blend.
Good. So guys, it's ready. I'll remove it and set it aside.
It's like ugali and boga.
Yes. To cool, and then we'll get to the next step.
The next step, we are going to put our leek and our potatoes to the blender.
And then we blend. So here they are. Then we close it and blend until it becomes a soup. You can see how lovely it looks. It's ready. We are going to serve. So guys, as you can see, our soup is ready. I want our small chef to taste it. And you can also see how thick it is.
I mix first.
Yes, you can mix. You'll be the one who will taste it and tell us how it is. It's still hot, Mama.
I mix.
Yes, mix, mix, mix. I want you to taste for us and you tell us how it is. How is it?
It's yummy and delicious.
Wow. So what are you telling our viewers?
Subscribe to our channel and click click the bell.
What is the name of the channel?
Asika's Kitchen. Bye!
Bye bye.